Hello, today we're gonna do the Bean Boozle challenge. This is our first week that we have had done a video, but not cooking. We're doing a Bean Boozle, so we just sort them out. So first on the list is Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti. So these are the ones, as you can see, the pink. So let's try Stinky Socks or Tutti Frutti. Heads up. And we're going to do points. Tutti Frutti, 1 point. 0 point.
Does it smell like stinky sock?
Tastes like stinky sock.
Ew.